Happy Irish Week, everyone. This week is nothing but shenanigans here at Midwest Mixer, and we've got the Pot of Gold Martini. For this cocktail, we are going to need our fresh squeezed lemon juice, a little bit of simple syrup, some apple vodka of your choice, and melon liqueur, and our pineapple juice as well. This is going to be a shaken cocktail, so make sure you have your shaker tin. We're using fresh lemon juice, so you are going to need both your Hawthorne and your mesh strainer. It is going to go in a martini glass, so make sure you have one of those. Your jigger for accurate measurement. And then I have got some gold sprinkles here that are going to rim the cocktail for us, and then our awesome little rainbow garnish as well. Don't forget, ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right along with me. We are going to use half an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 0.25 ounces of simple syrup, 1.5 ounces of apple or green apple vodka. You can use either or. 1.5 ounces of your brand of melon liqueur. And then last but not least, 1.5 ounces of our pineapple juice. Obviously not fresh squeezed. And then as always, guys, we are going to fill this shaker tin up with ice and shake until it is nice and cold in our hands, roughly about 15 to 20 seconds. Ah, it's in my eye. Highly don't recommend. Drink the cocktail, don't put it in your eye. Holy cow. Again, this was a fresh squeezed lemon juice cocktail, so make sure you've got your Hawthorne strainer and your mesh strainer. And then for this one, I am going to be rimming it with a gold sugar. So as always, I mentioned in the last video, I like using either caramel syrup or chocolate syrup just because it tends to make anything that you're rimming stick to the glass just that much better. Simple syrup you can use, of course. However, it tends to get a little watery. So in my opinion, I prefer to have a beautiful rim. Look at that. Gorgeous. All right. So after we've got our cocktail rim, we are going to pour straight in. Oh, look at that gorgeous color. All right, and then of course, we're going bougie this time, guys. Would not be complete without a beautiful little rainbow airhead for our skewer. I'm gonna see if I can get it to stay because it was fighting with me earlier. Ooh, ah, it's beautiful. Perfect. And there she is, the Pot of Gold Martini. Don't forget, guys, if you enjoy the cocktails, if you like seeing my gorgeous face every day, preferably not getting cocktails in your eye because that really sucked. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I want to hear if you're making the cocktails and if you enjoy them. Until the next pour, cheers, guys.